Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are excited to show how our EduHope Assistant, built on Salesforce AgentForce, is reshaping the way students from underserved background access learning opportunities, from enrollment to rescheduling, all in one seamless flow. Let's take a moment to visualize this. Imagine trying to enroll in a course when every step demands filling long forms, waiting days for a callback, or juggling back and forth emails for confirmation. For many underprivileged learners, that's the everyday reality, but not anymore, because this is where EduHope Assistant steps in to make the entire experience simple and fast. Let's walk through a real scenario. I am a student looking to begin my learning journey. It all starts with a simple step, email verification. The assistant asks for my email address. Within seconds, I receive a secure verification code. Once verified, the system checks whether I already exist in the database. If I am an existing student, I am greeted personally and welcome back, which I am not. So the AI agent quickly registers me using my first name, last name, and phone number. Now, as I am registered student, the assistant displays a list of available courses. Let's say I choose web development. The assistant provides a complete overview, including course duration, instructor, schedule, and asks for my confirmation to proceed. With one reply, I am successfully enrolled and an email confirmation lands instantly in my inbox. Here you can see that we have successfully received the confirmation email for the course enrollment. Now imagine that I need to reschedule my next session. Instead of emailing coordinators or waiting for manual approval, the assistant handles it in seconds. I simply share my concern with the agent and provide my email address to further verify using a secure verification code received on my email, after which the assistant prompts for the specific session details which needs to be updated. It then displays the available new slots, ensuring no conflict with the other sessions. I pick a new date and instantly the assistant updates the schedule, sends a confirmation email, and syncs the change in real time. No calls, no delays, no confusion. Just a smooth real time experience, exactly the way modern learning should feel. Here you can see that we have received the confirmation email for our session rescheduled. What makes EduHope truly powerful is that it's built on Salesforce AgentForce and it connects seamlessly with nonprofit cloud, data cloud, service cloud, and marketing cloud. This means nonprofit organizations can now track every student progress in real time, deliver personalized communication, eliminate manual data entry and duplicate records, all while allowing the organization to focus on what truly matters, such as supporting more students, frictionless enrollment, real time email updates, secure verification, and for students, this means freedom to focus on learning, not logistics. Thank you for watching this demo. We hope you enjoyed exploring the new EduHope AgentForce agent, and we'll look forward to partner with you to drive greater impact within your nonprofit organization.